I have copied the old version that we wrote into a new version, case 1. In this case 1, we will modify the program we wrote, okay, to give the various flavors of case statement. If you watch this case 1, case 3, case 5, they all have 31 days, right? The statements that you are executing is identical. Number of days equal to 31, number of days equal to 31. We can put all them together, okay, and then write the statements once. So how do we do that? The thing you can do is case 3, alright, remove that guy. Then we have case 5 in here. Oops, give me a second, something happened here. Okay, we have case 5, number of 31 days, right? Case 5. See how I am putting case 1 colon, case 3 colon, case 5 colon. You could also put it like this: case 7, case 8 for August, case 10 for October, case 12 for December. I can put all that and remove all the 31 days. Okay, what did I do? Yeah. Okay, now I have grouped all the similar kind of statements into one case 1 like that. Now let me go ahead and change the case 4, case 6, case 9, case 11. If you see here, let me actually put them into a different line. So we are okay. If you see here, the similar kind of groups case values 1, 3, 12 and the statements followed by the break. So what happens is, when the month is say 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, if any of these values, it will jump here, execute the number of days to 31, it executes the next line which is break and gets out. If the value is say 2 or 4 or 6, 9, 11, it will jump, it will skip all this, jumps to one of these cases and executes this statement, and then the next line is the break. In other words, if the value is say 7, it checks each one of them. Is it 1? Is it 7? Is it 7? Is it 7? Oh, I have a match here. So it will skip the rest of the stuff and goes and executes the statements here and executes break. If it were say 6, it again finds out, is it 1, 3, 5, all that, and then none of them really matched. It goes ahead and checks the rest of the cases. Oh, I have 6 here. So that is how it matches each and every case and executes your program. And so let's run this program. Oh, no errors. Say another month, 13. Not a valid month. So I'll just keep it there. Okay, so that is one version. Okay, case 2 is kind of identical, but you can remove this default. This is only optional, but in our case we need that, right? But sometimes you may not need that. So in situations where you don't need it, right, you can remove it. In situations where you don't need it, you can remove it. In situations where you need it, you have to put it. And you can also put dummy printf. You don't need to have anything. It's optional. Any statements inside. Okay. Actually what I want to tell you about is this 8, 9. See here, there is a consecutive range. Now what if my case is, let's say, from 8 to 11 is one case, and 12 to 20 is another case. Are you going to write each and every case like that? Case 8, case 9, case 10. This will very tedious process, right? Very tedious for us. So how do we do that? Okay. There is a new feature in C language that says you can give this option 8 space a dot, a dot, a dot, and a space and a 11. So this is important. If you want to give a range in the constants, you can do that. But remember, this is a space. It's a blank. All right. So let's go and change that program. For 7 and 8, dot, 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 8. Then I'll remove my stuff. So in case of I enter 7 or 8 in this range, 7 to 8, then I can just get away with one case like that. So let me compile it. GCC case 2.c. Alright. Another month 7. So it did that. Let's go and check 8. It works. About 9. It works too.